Assalamualaikum friends, welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss what is affiliate marketing, best affiliate marketing website, how to start affiliate marketing, best affiliate marketing in Pakistan, best affiliate marketing in the overall world, and how to earn money from affiliate marketing. Before starting this video in detail, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for upcoming new video updates. Let's start our video. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing in which a business rewards one or more affiliates from each visitor or customer to buy affiliate on marketing efforts. These are the definition of affiliate marketing. Next, what does the affiliate marketer do? The affiliate marketing is the advertised model in which a company pay other e.g. bloggers to advertise their product, service and generate a sale. The affiliate marketing place ads or marketing product or service on their website, app, blog, customize the commission or paid to own the lead to sale. How to make money from in affiliate marketing? To be patient, there are different affiliate marketer work. Choose the more attractive product. Use a server traffic source like social media. Attract your target audience. Test, measure and track your product. Search the product on demand. Follow the new method and technique to search product. Select the right advertising method. Best affiliate marketing in Pakistan. The best affiliate marketing in Pakistan is first is Amazon. This is the best e-commerce company. Travel and Cluster. The best affiliate marketing website. Mainly, the affiliate marketing website is Imazaka. The best affiliate marketing website. Go to top best affiliate marketing website is Spreadum, the affiliate program website. Draz affiliate marketing website. AliExpress, best international affiliate marketing website. These are the best affiliate marketing website in Pakistan. Let's talk about the best affiliate marketing website in the world. First is affiliate marketing in the world, Amazon. Second number eBay, the partner, the Shopify affiliate program, ClickBank, Rockton marketing affiliate, Studio Press affiliate marketing, CF affiliate publish program, Bluehost affiliate program. These are the best affiliate marketing place in the world. Friends, if you have any doubt in this video, please comment us. Thanks for watching our video.